Betsy Malloy photography. The Simpsons Ride, which takes place in the fictional Krustyland, is one of the attractions on Universal's upper lot. Here's a full list. 1. Studio Tour. 2. Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem. 3. Super Silly Funland. 4. The Simpsons RideTM. 5. Universal's Animal Actors. 6. Special Effects Show. 7. Kung Fu Panda. 8. The Blues Brothers. 9. AMC Walking Dead Attraction. 10. Water World. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter is also on the upper lot, where you can ride Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey and the Flight of the Hippogriff. You can find out about all of them in the Universal Studios Hollywood Ride Guide.